All right, we're back. Now we're going to do the project for the Learn CSS section. This one's called Healthy Recipes. Here's what to expect. Check off the project tasks as you complete each one. This is not an exam, so you can refer to other resources to help you complete the project. Okay, standard project. Let's get started. Reset the workspace here. Reset this one. I don't know if this one has anything in it. Healthy recipes. Using CSS selectors, you'll give a recipe website some new style. If you get stuck during this project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Unstuck to see a project walkthrough video. Task 1. Before you begin, take a look at the site's structure in index.html. Start by making the image at the top of the page a little smaller. Navigate to the Style CSS and write a CSS selector for the image tag. Okay. Image tag. And within its curly braces, right height, 150px. Right. Task 2, font size of the recipe. Description should be larger in style CSS. Write a CSS selector for the description class. Description. Yeah, okay. Class description. Why is it giving me weird? Within its curly braces, add the following. Font size, 20px. Okay. Next, let's style the cooking time. The element on line 15 of index.html has an ID attribute of cook time. Line 15, cook time. Okay. Eight, bold. So it should put all total time 45 minutes. Okay. Now let's change the bullet points of the ingredient list to squares instead of circles. Start by writing a selector for the li elements inside of the dot ingredient. Okay. Style square. Right. Looks good. Next, let's make the time for each preparation step appear gray. P elements also have a class of dot time. Okay. Color gray. I wonder if this also needs to be backwards. Time P. It seems to be changing. E elements that also have a class of dot time. This might, okay, P dot time. Okay. Needed to be connected. I didn't do that the first time. At the bottom of the page, there's a link to the full recipe. Let's make the link a different color. Notice that in index.html line 42, there's a P element with a class of citation, and then an A element inside of it with the class of external link. Navigate to Style CSS, write a selector for external link class. Okay, so there's a P element, citation, and then an AL. Okay, so we don't even need to do anything. We just need to do the external link class. color C. I don't know where I was going with that other one. Yeah, it's changed. Finally, let's make the font Helvetica instead of the default Times New Roman instead of writing multiple lines. So we'll just put it at the top where it should always go, I guess. And font family Helvetica. So this should change the entire page. And we'll just check instead of writing multiple lines. Ready selected applies font family attribute to all text at once. The selector should target the H1P. Okay, so star does that. And we are done. Wow, this website is really good looking. Right. I think we're on to the next project after this one. Yep. And we will see you in another video for this.